Excuse me. Hiya. I'm a photographer, and I was just wondering if I could get a shot of you. Can I get a shot of you for my social media? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Cool. Literally be 2 seconds, okay? I'm Mark, by the way. What's your name?
Cheyenne.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
What do you want me to do?
You're lovely as well, it's just
It's alright. It's fine.
This is the hair is insane. So literally, you just be looking straight past me. I'll get a few shots of you. Let's have a look. Okay, perfect. And now look into the camera. That's it. And I'll just come right. That's it. Amazing. We'll just do one more shot like this, and then back to me. Fantastic.